Hey, what's up, fam? Ever felt like you just can't connect with people or wish you had a secret superpower to make everyone like you? Well, guess what? These famous figures who are known for their ability to connect with people and use psychological tricks effectively. Let's discuss one of them, how they incorporate these tricks secretly to be more influential or charismatic. I know you like all of them and want to know about them, but I can't discuss all because video will become so long. Meet Barack Obama, a man who rose from humble beginnings to become the 44th President of the United States. His journey to the White House is a masterclass in charisma and connection. Let's dive into how he used 7 psychological tricks to win hearts and minds. Obama creates an instant bond, making people feel understood and valued. Once Obama asked a supporter to share their personal story during a rally. By doing this, he made them feel valued and more connected to his campaign. Another useful trick: Obama frequently addresses supporters by name, making interactions feel personal and engaging. Obama's active listening skills are legendary. His simple act of nodding while conversation makes people feel heard and valued. Obama is generous with his compliments. He knows that genuine praise can make someone feel appreciated and respected. This not only boosts morale, but also enhances his likability. Instead of rushing to respond, Obama takes a moment to pause. This shows that he is thoughtfully considering the question, making him appear more empathetic and considerate. Obama always makes his supporters the center of attention. He asks open-ended questions that encourage them to share their experiences and feelings. This makes them feel valued and keeps the audience engaged. So there you have it, folks. Obama's charisma isn't just natural talent. It's a masterful use of psychological tricks that anyone can learn. Let's break down these tricks in detail so you can start using them too. Mirroring. Imagine you're talking to someone and they start copying your gestures and tone. Feels kinda nice, right? That's because mirroring creates a sense of familiarity. Next time you're chatting, subtly mimic their body language and watch the magic happen. The Benjamin Franklin effect. This one's a classic. Ask someone for a small favor, like borrowing a pen. When they help you out, they subconsciously start to like you more. Weird, but it works. Use their name. People love hearing their own name. It's like music to their ears. So, sprinkle their name into the conversation and see how their face lights up. Nod while listening. When you're listening to someone, nodding shows you're engaged and interested. It encourages them to keep talking and makes them feel heard. Try it out. Compliment others. Giving genuine compliments not only makes others feel good, but also makes you look super generous and kind. Win-win. Pause before responding. Instead of jumping in right away, take a couple of seconds to respond. It shows you're really thinking about what they said, making you seem more thoughtful and considerate. Talk about them. People love talking about themselves. Ask questions about their interests and experiences. They'll feel more connected to you and appreciate the attention. So, there you have it, folks. 7 sneaky psychological tricks to boost your social skills and make you the ultimate people magnet. Try these out and let me know how they work for you in the comments below. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more awesome content, and share this video with your friends. Catch you later. Chew.